Behind every good product, there's a great story. Some of the chapters are obvious, but many are hidden. These are the unseen forces that can mean the difference between failure and success. And often, they can't be understood by traditional methods. That's where we come in. Simulation allows us to perform comprehensive tests in a virtual world, discovering insights throughout the design lifecycle, so you can develop the perfect parts, assemble them into something completely new, and discover new ways to improve lives, all before a single product gets built. In this way, we can mitigate risks, enhance innovation, and change the world together. This is our passion, our legacy, our story. Symulacje reveal the world we live in.